Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to go private on LinkedIn. So this is really simple. If you want to browse LinkedIn and you don't want anyone to see that you have viewed their page, you can also go over to this Me button, then click on Settings and Privacy, click on Visibility right here, and now under visibility of your profile and network, you will have to go over to profile viewing option. Click on that. And now, as you can see, you can choose from three options. First one is that they will see your name and headline like this. They can see only your private profile characteristics, so like this. Or you can go all private mode. So this is what you want. So go private like this, and basically all of your changes are saved. So when I go back to settings and privacy and visibility, as you can see, viewing options private mode is enabled. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.